I make a song on purpose for the courteous King of Aragon, for otherwise I would not sing this year, because of the annoyance and the deceit that she did to me. May God humble her. And if I was ever gay for her love, now I leave it and abandon it, and I would no longer be in love, hard heart, if it were not for you. And may God never forgive me if ever there was such a beautiful lady, nor of such courteous semblance, nor did any man ever see so well spoken, nor ever will see, no, never. For when a word leaves her mouth and I hear it, I am so delighted that I think I will die desiring, if I do not hear at least two. And since in such a season she gave me beautiful and good succor, I thank you for it in song, for otherwise I could not have suffered the pain, nor the weeping, nor the anguish when she withdrew her love from me, if it were not for a certain courteous joy that comes to me, lady, from you, through which I live delighted. And for this reason, I know well that I am your man, and I wish to remain from now on entirely at your command. And I will put myself in every task of saying and doing what pleases you,